So I'm reviewing a website called DACOBots. It's supposed to be an educational website for kindergarten through 6th grade. I couldn't find any games for 6th graders, so I don't know what that's about. But I decided to choose a game for 5th graders. It's called Brain Maintenance. Currently it's loading, so I'm going to throw out a shameless self-plug here. I really enjoy working with Raspberry Pi. Some of you may be thinking, why does he enjoy working with food? It's not food. Fun fact is they are little computers. This computer here is a Raspberry Pi Zero W. The W stands for wireless. It's their new version. This computer here, so the computer itself is just this chip. And this chip here costs $10. It's not a lot. It's pretty cool. It's a Linux-based machine. It does a lot of different tasks. Its whole operating system is here in the SD card. So yeah, I have a 0 and a 3. I have a couple SD cards, so I will be running multiple programs. You guys should come out, check that out sometime. It'll be pretty great. So cool. Raspberry Pi. Yeah, so this website has been loading for a minute and a half now. Maybe I can refresh it. Maybe it'll work. Let's hope. Well, yeah. This is awkward now. So, what else do I talk about? Well, I have a Rubik's Cube here. Fun thing I enjoy doing every now and then. I'm going to try and go back to their home screen. So this is a home page. The subjects are science, health, math, history, and then this one's locked. I have no idea what this one actually does. So I guess we can go to science. Click around. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I guess we can do, well, let's try brain maintenance again. Maybe we can get it working this time. I apologize about my phone shaking throughout this video. The mount I'm using for it currently is not the best, but it's doing its job, so I will try and keep that steady for you. Okay, so while this is loading yet again, I guess I can mention the fact that there are different subscriptions for this. The one I'm testing out, I guess, is the monthly subscription, even though I probably won't be on here. I don't have children who are in kindergarten through 6th grade. I don't have children at all. So I'm going to come back to the home screen here and see if we can find a science game that may hopefully actually work. So I chose Journeys to the Sky. This looks like a space-based science game. It's again loading up. Click on the screen like it asked me to. And the O just keeps on spinning and spinning. Here, this one actually loaded up.
Fascinating outer spaces. Humans have always dreamt of exploring it. That is why they invented rockets and space shuttles.
This is interesting.
Press the buttons to find out the differences between a space shuttle and a rocket. Press on the arrows to discover Ariane 5 rocket and Columbia space shuttle. This is Ariane 5 rocket. It is one of the most versatile rockets currently in operation. Ariane 5 is a carrier rocket. Humans use carrier rockets to launch satellites or space shuttles into orbit. This is Space Shuttle Columbia. It is the first U.S.
Yeah, so it's giving me some information about different space shuttles. That's pretty cool. I am curious as to whether it's actually going to
Crashed during a mission in 2000.
let me play a
That
game,
was Columbia's last
because that would be
mission.
cool. But it doesn't seem like. Okay, let's
The
see.
underparts are very
Oh, here we go.
Columbia shaped alike, but they include different parts.
Seems like this one on the left here is a rocket, and this one here says space
The
shuttle.
upper section of Columbia contains the fuel tank. The lateral boosters contain solid fuel.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm having trouble listening to this guy.
Both the rocket and the space shuttle
He's
are
kind of
located at the
monotone.
bottom section. However, Columbia also
Let's see if we
includes
can get to
the shuttle
playing the
itself
game.
with its flight deck and cargo bay.
Keep in mind this game is for a
Parts that can be reused.
5th grader.
Once liftoff time, the main engine ignites. Both vehicles are launched as rockets.
And I'm having trouble paying attention to this.
Burn off their fuel and fall down.
Now, granted, I do know how rockets work. However,
The boosters are retrieved
this
from the
is
detonator
not so much
tank. That is the
a
separation of
game.
the external tank. The external tank acts as the backbone of the shuttle during
A
launch.
little
It contains
disappointed
the
because I was
hydrogen
expecting
and
to play something.
This component is not reusable. The shuttle deploys the satellite into orbit. The rocket undergoes main stage separation. The satellite starts orbiting Earth. The tank of the shuttle breaks up during the re-entry. The speed of the rocket is boosted by its upper stage. The satellite is then deployed into orbit. The shuttle re-enters the atmosphere in the manner of a glider airplane. The rockets used in space exploration, transport, and/or unmanned spacecraft and satellites to high altitudes beyond Earth's atmosphere. You earned a card.
Oh, look, we earned a card. So we got a Master of Astronomy card. Has a number 4 on it. I don't know what that means. It's not letting me. Oh, let me click somewhere else. Yeah, so I'm clicking around and it doesn't seem like there's too much of a game. So, I mean, that was cool and all, but like they mislabeled it, in my opinion. I would not pay the $5 per month for my child to watch videos like this. I'm sure they can find stuff like this on YouTube, and as we all know, that is not $5 a month. So, yeah, I'd just let them watch YouTube and put parental controls on. I don't think that this was very helpful or useful. Plus, I didn't really interact with anything, so it's not a game.